Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to add a Pinterest widget to your Android home screen, it's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, press and hold an empty space on your home screen until the options menu appears. From there, tap on Widgets to open the list of available widgets on your device. Now, scroll down or use the search bar to find Pinterest in the widget menu. Once you locate it, select the Pinterest widget and drag it to the spot where you want it on your home screen. After placing it, you'll be prompted to choose a board or topic to display content from. Pick the one you prefer, and once you're happy with the selection, tap outside the widget to save the settings and exit customization mode. And that's it. Now you have a Pinterest widget on your Android home screen, making it easy to see fresh content without opening the app. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.